What's the meaning of charter member? Charter member. Charter member.
Charter member. Charter member. A charter member is an individual or organization that is part of the original group or founding members of a particular group or society. Being a charter member indicates a special status within the organization, as these members are often involved in the creation and establishment of the group's policies, goals, and mission. Charter members are typically recognized for their contributions and may have certain privileges, such as voting rights or leadership positions. In summary, a charter member is someone involved in the early stages of establishing a group or society and has a unique and influential role within it.